Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can schedule your contents on LinkedIn using Buffer. Well, to schedule your contents on LinkedIn, go to your Buffer account and here you can see I've already connected my LinkedIn account with it. And if you haven't so far, watch my tutorial named Connect Your LinkedIn Account with Buffer and connect it. I will give its link in the description for your convenience. Anyhow, to schedule your post, click on New Post. And here you can see it's showing the LinkedIn channel logo, which means you can schedule your contents for LinkedIn. Well, I have connected only one account so far. The more accounts you will connect, the more logos you will see here. And it's your choice to schedule contents on all the platforms you have connected or on the ones you will select. Anyhow, on this side, you will see the preview of the post, whether how it will look like. And here you can add tags either to categorize or organize your contents. Now click here and select what you want to post and add your description, and make sure it does not go above 3000 character limit for LinkedIn. And if you want, you can create your tag and categorize it. But I'm not adding it for now. Well, adding and managing hashtag is a premium feature which you can utilize after upgrading. Moreover, you can utilize AI Assistant too if you want. Then click on this drop down and schedule your post by selecting the time you see fit. Now your first post has just been scheduled on Buffer. And if you still want to make some changes, you can click on this pencil icon and make your changes. And by clicking on this ellipsis icon, you can move it to draft or duplicate it or even delete it. Anyhow, here you can see that the post is under Queue tab, and when it will be published, it will be moved to the Sent tab. And here you can see that the post has just been published and it's been moved to the Sent tab. And when you check it on your LinkedIn account, here you can see that it's just been posted. Moreover, if you want to duplicate this post, just click on this ellipsis icon and click on duplicate to reschedule it after making your changes. And this is how you can schedule your contents on LinkedIn using Buffer. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.